Hello everyone, my name is Sachin and today I have a very interesting topic to discuss. And today's topic is why the use context is preferred over the use. What is prop building? Why we prefer the prop building? Why the use context came into play? And there are a lot of myths about prop building and use context. So let's clear about it, right? So before what I was doing, or before 2000 and before React 16.8, there were our components. There were two types of the first one was known as the class component, and the second one was known as functional component. So what happened when the functional component at that time was known as the stateless component? Means it cannot the state in that component cannot be changed. Firstly, we'll have to convert our functional component to the class component. There was a problem there. So after the React 16.8 was what happened that there was a concept of use state that it is a hook which is implemented or which is came into our existence by the React developers. So what happens now the functional component no longer need to convert into a class component. You can directly change the state. The state use state hook gives us a tuple of two things. The first one is the state, which is the current state, and the second thing is the set state method. So what that method do, it changes the state from wherever you just need to go. You just need to pass a prop, and wherever the component is, you can just go and pass. But it's fine. It's good. It's really coming very handy. But what happens suddenly? There is a change in the component number. So when we have a two or three components, it's easy to get the prop and from last one to the first, right? That's easy because there are only three components. You can directly pass the prop. You can destructure it, and if you can not do the destructure, then you can pass the prop. But what happened when there were a I mean, there was a number of components there, like 20 to 30 components there in any single page application. You know, the React is famous for single page application because it changes the components only a single, only single page. It passes the redirector and mounting and mounting. There are a lot of things, right? So what was happening that while the developers were using the use statement and they were just passing the prop from one prop to second, one prop from one component to another component, then another component. If there are 100 components, then uh, it will be passing 100 components, they are in the same line. But if they have a grandchild and greater grandchild, and there are a lot of the branches are there. So now, if you want to take something from the upper branch to the lower branch, you'll have to drill the prop. The prop drilling, yeah, it's not drilling the prop. You just need to go prop, drill, drill, drill. Then you'll have to go to the last step was there so for a little difficult for end users. While debugging it's also kind of a problem. So we came to a very interesting book called Use Context or Create Context. Now, what it does it creates a hub, or you can say it create a context. Now you can access anything from it. Now you don't need to drill the prop. Just put the prop in that context, and from wherever you want to access it, just use the use context. Now, first of all, create the context, keep it in the main app, which is the father of it, right? You can say this is the parent of all the right? Main. Put that, wrap it around it. Now, what do you have to do? You just need to pass the create context to create the context. You have to just use context for using the context. You can directly check it. You don't need to drill from one place to another place, one component to another component. And that makes the developers means that makes a lot of tons of work into a minimal amount of time and they can easily use, right? So there was a use context. I hope you understand that. And thanks for watching.